Hello everyone, how are you doing today? So today I'm gonna tell you one of the best AI which you can generate text to image and text to video. Okay, I'm gonna explain you every single step, so just stay in with me. Okay, first of all you have to go to this website. This website provides you the best temporary emails right now. Okay, so you can choose any domain. As you can see, you can even select Gmail and you have to click on create. Okay, as you can see, it created a temporary email. You have to click on copy and then here you can sign up. Okay, so it will send a verification code, so you have to come here and click on this button, this refresh button. After clicking on it, the email will show here. Okay, as you can see it. So this is our code. We're gonna copy this and click on validate. So I'm gonna skip just every step and boom, here we go. So this is the AI which I was telling you about. It has so many free tools. I am again telling you, free tools like text, image to video. Like you can convert text or image to video, or you can even convert video into video. You can generate audio, lip sync video. Okay, for your YouTube videos, or like text to image to image, or infinite image. It has too many options. Okay, so let's try any one you like let's click on text to image. Okay, so perfect. As you can see up here, we have like 105 generations left. Okay, so these are some like examples of the images generated. Okay, so you don't have to worry. And one more thing, the number of outputs is dependent on the generations. If you select more number of outputs, it will take more generations. Okay, so I'm gonna click on like 2 outputs. I'm gonna select like mobile vertical, and resolution you can only select 720p in the free version. So let's say create a polar bear on land in USA. Okay, so you can also like enhance your prompt to create a more stunning image. So as you can see, so it can generate a very like good quality images. So let's give it another command like create Elon Musk as a robot. So as you can see, pretty much good quality. Okay, so now I have to click here and go to dashboard. Here we're gonna try some other like text or image to video. So now we're gonna convert text to video. Okay, so I'm gonna paste the same command here. Okay, you can also drag an image or like upload an image. So give it an example. Okay, I have clicked on improve the command, as you can see. So we're gonna click on generate. So the video has been generated. Okay, so we're gonna click on play. So as you can see, it's pretty good quality. You can also like extend it. Okay, if I click on extend it, this is the fixed speed. You can extend it to 4 seconds, and once it's generated, you can also again extend it to another 4 seconds, and you can continue this process. Because of this free version limitations, you have like you can also change the camera control, which is also the camera pan, zoom or roll, anything like that, or also the motion brush options. So as I told you, it's the best AI and it has so many options like I already told you. So you can use it for like free, for live, so there is no problem. So this was the topic of the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.